Hello and welcome. I'm going to show you how to use the Microsoft Teams app using Microsoft Office 365. So first of all, you need to log in to your @ModeCS email account into Office 365. So I just open up Google and I look up Office 365. And I'm going to click in here to log into Office 365 and I'm going to sign in. Now, my computer is remembering my email address, so it's just your first name, surname @modecs.com is your email address. The @modecs.com will be the important part, and then your password. And you sign in. When you sign in, you come to this landing page, which has all of your apps in front of you here. The one we're going to look at today is this Teams app here. So you just click into that Teams app. So when you come into the Teams app, it'll be displayed, and if you click on Teams on the left hand side here, all of your different class teams or your clubs or your subject departments or whatever teams you have set up from before will be here, unless of course you've deleted them like I have, and then you can start again for this year if you wish. That's entirely up to yourself. So your teams, clubs, society, subject departments will all be viewable here. Now you can also view your teams on your desktop if you want to have teams set up, so when you turn on your computer you can just go straight into it. To do that, you can click on the icon on the top right hand side and click download the desktop app, and it starts to download here, and then you'll just be asked to install it. So I'm just going to open that for demonstration and just install it. Now that's entirely up to yourself. You can use the web version if you want. That's no problem, it'll work fine. Or you can download it to your PC so that it's always viewable at the bottom of your computer, so that basically when you turn it on, you'll have an icon down here for Teams. And that's what I'm doing here now. So it's installing as we speak. And that's how you open and install Microsoft Office 365 Teams onto your computer.